Managing CKD requires a personalized approach to nutrition, as the right diet can significantly impact health and well-being. It's essential to understand which foods to include and avoid, as well as the appropriate portion sizes. Factors such as age, sex, lifestyle, medical history, and body weight all play a crucial role in creating a diet plan tailored to individual needs, which can help promote long-term health benefits. By following a step-by-step guide to crafting the perfect meal plan, individuals with CKD can feel empowered to make informed decisions about their health. A well-balanced diet customized to specific needs can help improve outcomes and support better management of the condition. For further guidance, a 7-day meal plan for kidney disease is available to assist you in building the right dietary routine on my website at renal-diethq.com. You might be wondering about who I am and why I'm qualified to talk about this. If you're someone living with chronic kidney disease, I've got great news for you. Hello, I'm Mathia Ford, a registered dietitian nutritionist specializing in chronic kidney disease and owner of renal-diethq.com. I specialize in helping people just like you improve their health by making simple yet delicious changes to your meals. Together, we can transform your eating habits, boost your overall well-being, and ensure that you're enjoying every bite along the way. Say goodbye to bland and boring meals and say hello to a healthier, more vibrant life. Let's get started on this incredible journey to better health together. Visit renal-diethq.com today and take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. Chronic kidney disease, or CKD, is a condition that affects the kidney's ability to function properly, potentially leading to advanced kidney failure, ESRD, and stage renal disease if left unmanaged. CKD develops when there are structural and functional problems with the kidneys over time, causing gradual damage. This can result in the accumulation of waste products in the blood, leading to complications like heart attack, stroke, high blood pressure, fluid retention, and fatigue. Early detection through regular monitoring by a doctor is essential to prevent severe kidney damage. Effective management of CKD includes lifestyle changes such as reducing sodium intake, increasing physical activity, taking medications like ACE inhibitors or ARBs. In some cases, dialysis treatments may be necessary. With proper management, individuals with CKD can often live normal lifespans without significant complications. Understanding the condition is key to providing the right care for oneself or others diagnosed with CKD. Understanding chronic kidney disease is crucial for developing a meal plan that meets specific nutritional needs of individuals with this condition. The dietary requirements for CKD patients must be closely monitored to ensure they receive the right balance of nutrients for good health. Key considerations include managing fluid intake, limiting sodium to reduce swelling and complications, and ensuring adequate protein intake to prevent muscle loss and fatigue. It's also important to monitor potassium and phosphorus levels, as excessive amounts of either can further damage the kidneys. A well-tailored meal plan for CKD should focus on low-sodium options like fresh fruits and vegetables, while avoiding processed meats or canned goods. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, oats, and barley provide fiber and complex carbohydrates, while lean proteins like fish or beans and healthy fats like avocados and olive oil are essential for kidney health. By following these guidelines, individuals with CKD can meet their nutritional needs without causing additional harm to their kidney function. While renal diet restrictions are not a cure for chronic kidney disease, they are crucial for managing the condition. Key dietary guidelines include avoiding high potassium foods like oranges, bananas, tomatoes, limiting sodium and phosphorus-rich foods such as processed cheese, cured meats, and canned soups. Additionally, intake of proteins like beef, pork, poultry should be reduced, as they can lead to an increase in waste products that put pressure on the kidneys. Despite these restrictions, there are still plenty of delicious, nutrient-dense options that meet the dietary needs of those with CKD. With thoughtful planning, it's possible to create enjoyable meals that adhere to renal diet guidelines. Small, frequent meals can ensure proper nutrition without exceeding the recommended allowances. Options like low-sodium whole grain breads, fresh vegetables, lean proteins such as fish or beans, and cooked grains like quinoa or couscous offer balanced meals. Roasted vegetables or vegetable soup with brown rice are simple, nutritious dinner choices. With creativity and careful meal planning, individuals with CKD can enjoy tasty meals that support their health and give them control over their condition. What are some foods that you might want to avoid? For individuals with CKD, it's essential to avoid foods that are high in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, as these can disrupt electrolyte balance and harm kidney function. Potassium and phosphorus only if your labs are elevated. Foods to avoid include processed items like canned vegetables with sodium, cheese, lunch meats, frozen dinners that are too high in sodium, Chips, pretzels, condiments like ketchup, mayonnaise, and soy sauce watch the amount of sodium. Even some types of nuts can be problematic. Reading food labels carefully is important. Items like French fries may contain excessive levels of sodium in just one serving. A balanced meal plan also helps maintain stable blood sugar levels by including adequate carbohydrates at regular intervals, preventing glucose spikes. By making mindful dietary choices, individuals with CKD can enjoy flavorful meals while managing their health effectively. Foods to include. Creating a healthy and delicious meal plan for those with CKD can be challenging, but it is possible to enjoy satisfying meals that are low in sodium and potassium. Key foods to include are high biological value proteins like lean meat, eggs, fish, and tofu, as well as low potassium fruits such as apples, strawberries, peaches, and pears. Vegetables like onions, celery, and kale provide fiber and nutrients without straining the kidneys. While maintaining high-quality protein intake is important to preserve muscle mass, limiting salt is essential. Flavor can be enhanced without added sodium by using herbs like oregano and basil, or spices like chili powder or cayenne pepper. By incorporating these kidney-friendly foods and seasonings into meals, individuals with CKD can enjoy nutrient-rich dishes that support their health and prevent the accumulation of harmful substances. When managing CKD, portion control is essential for maintaining optimal health. It's important to eat enough to avoid hunger while not exceeding the daily nutritional goals set by a healthcare provider. Proper portion sizes can help manage weight, blood glucose levels, and other health issues related to CKD. 4 helpful tips for portion control: avoiding overly large portions, using smaller plates, eating slowly to become aware of your fullness, and choosing low-calorie snacks like nuts and air-popped popcorn. By following these portion size guidelines, individuals with CKD can control their intake while still enjoying a variety of flavorful foods that meet their nutritional needs. The right combination of healthy food choices and appropriate portion sizes is crucial for managing CKD symptoms and promoting overall well-being. These simple tips can make maintaining a nutritious lifestyle easier, even when faced with the challenges of living with CKD. For those living with chronic kidney disease, the timing and frequency of meals are crucial for managing symptoms and maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Developing a consistent eating schedule helps control fluctuations in glucose and supports the successful management of CKD. Some people may find 3 meals a day plus snacks work best, while others may prefer 5 smaller meals. The key is to find a balance that suits individual needs and health goals and gets you eating good meals throughout the day and not stopping to eat junk. It's important to space meals at regular intervals to avoid issues caused by eating too frequently or infrequently. Setting alarms or writing reminders can help stay on track with meal timings. While creating a meal schedule may take some effort, following these tips can significantly improve the management of CKD symptoms and overall health. Let's talk about breakfast. It's essential to choose foods that are low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium while still being nutritious. Oatmeal is a great option as it's low in both potassium and phosphorus and can be topped with nuts or seeds for extra flavor and texture. For a savory alternative, an egg white omelet with vegetables like onions, peppers, and mushrooms offers a flavorful and nutrient-dense option without the added potassium or phosphorus. Additionally, making pancakes with almond flour instead of regular flour and adding kidney-friendly fruits like blueberries or raspberries provides a sweet yet healthy breakfast choice. An example of a complete breakfast for those with chronic kidney disease could be 2 scrambled egg whites or a 4th cup of egg substitute mixed with diced peppers and onions. This can be paired with half an English muffin or with a low-sugar fruit spread or margarine and a small sliced peach for a balanced, kidney-friendly meal that starts your day off right. These breakfast ideas ensure you can enjoy a tasty, nutritious meal while adhering to your dietary restrictions. Lunch ideas for a renal meal plan can be challenging, but it's possible to create tasty and kidney-friendly meals while adhering to dietary restrictions. It's important to incorporate vegetables like leafy greens, tomatoes, mushrooms, and peppers, which provide essential fiber and vitamins. Lean proteins such as fish, chicken breast, eggs, and tofu offer healthy protein without significantly impacting potassium levels. Whole grains like whole wheat bread or pasta are great sources of energy, while quinoa stands out as a nutrient-rich grain option, making it ideal for those with chronic kidney disease. An example of a balanced lunch could be 3 ounces of grilled chicken breast strips combined with 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of mustard lettuce, and shredded carrots, all wrapped in a flour tortilla. This can be paired with a small serving of grapes, providing a nutritious, kidney-friendly meal. With a little creativity, these lunch options can create a variety of flavorful meals that support both health goals and enjoyment. Example supper ideas. For those with CKD, creating a renal-friendly supper that aligns with dietary guidelines is key to staying healthy. Light meals like salads or sandwiches featuring fresh vegetables, lean protein sources such as fish or chicken breast, low-fat cheese, and whole grain breads are excellent choices. These can be paired with small portions of potatoes or rice for additional energy. Another great option is kidney-friendly soups or stews, which can incorporate heart-healthy fats like olive oil, nutrient-rich legumes, and a variety of colorful vegetables, providing a nutritious, filling meal that's easy to prepare in bulk. An example of a satisfying supper could be 4 ounces of baked fish served over white rice, topped with tartar sauce and freshly squeezed lemon juice. This meal can be complemented with steamed green beans and a side salad of lettuce, cucumber, radish, and carrot, drizzled with some balsamic vinaigrette dressing. These supper ideas offer a balanced approach to kidney health while ensuring the meals are enjoyable and full of essential snacks that fit your nutritional needs. Snacking can play a crucial role in kidney disease diet by helping maintain energy levels and preventing overeating during meals. When selecting snacks, it's important to focus on low-sodium options that meet your nutritional needs. Fruits and vegetables are excellent choices, providing essential vitamins and minerals while remaining naturally low in sodium. Carrot sticks, celery, apples, oranges, frozen grapes, and melon spears are all great options, especially when paired with dips like nut butter or hummus. Protein-rich snacks are also important for those managing chronic kidney disease. Foods like yogurt, hard-boiled eggs, and cheese cubes can be included, as well as vegan protein sources such as edamame beans, tempeh strips, or roasted chickpeas. A sweet treat, healthy baked goods made with whole grain flours like oatmeal cookies or banana muffins can satisfy cravings without compromising nutrition. Additionally, popcorn seasoned with herbs can offer a savory snack option. There are plenty of nutritious snacks that fit within a kidney disease diet, and working with a renal dietitian can help tailor recipes to meet specific health needs. Meal planning is a vital strategy for managing chronic kidney disease, ensuring that meals are both nutritious and satisfying while adhering to dietary restrictions. Consulting with a dietitian or nutritionist specializing in CKD can provide personalized guidance on creating a healthy meal plan, offering tailored recipes and advice on how to fill nutritional gaps caused by food restrictions. In addition to professional guidance, there are many online resources available to help with meal planning for those with CKD. Websites like renaldiethq.com offer daily menus, nutritious recipes, and detailed articles to help adjust eating habits while maintaining flavor and enjoyment. By utilizing these tools, you can create a meal plan that suits both your health needs and personal taste preferences, helping you live a fuller life despite the challenges of managing CKD. Meal planning can help you manage CKD perfectly. Managing chronic kidney disease doesn't mean your meals have to lack flavor. With a well-planned diet and the right recipes, you can still enjoy delicious meals while adhering to dietary guidelines. While it may seem difficult to come up with new meal ideas, there are numerous online resources offering meal plans, recipes, and food delivery services tailored to renal diets, including diabetic renal diet meal plans. The key to successful meal planning is maintaining open communication with your doctor about your health and any changes you experience, ensuring that your diet can be adjusted as needed. With the right resources and a proactive approach, you can manage your chronic kidney disease effectively and maintain a healthy and enjoyable lifestyle. Thanks for joining me today.